A debate on should government ban tobacco products or people boycott the tobacco products. Initiative by Guardian High Secondary, Kurcharam, Goa. Reverend Father Walter Miranda, the principal. Mr. Sheikh Sarat Ismail K, the nodal officer.
Very warm good afternoon to all of you. We are here for a very special cause. Use of tobacco is going increasing and people are losing their lives. This program is the form of debate and you can see so many posters prepared by students, lots of syllabus we will not display here. Through all these activities we are going to present to the people, students like you, that is the harmful negative effects of the tobacco. Right? How the tobacco kills. There will be lots of doubt comes to the mind of the students and the people. Some are for, some against for this topic. So we thought of taking all the questions and put it in the form of debate. Some of questions will be yours, your parents, your neighbors, somebody else. So these questions shall be answered very well. Both the team had tried best to give you the best debate and the best information to be passed out. We have two of the guests here. We would like to introduce them very shortly. The first guest, she has worked for SMRC Hospital, Vasco. She is ex-student of Guardian High Secondary. She has studied here right from pre-primary till she completes her higher secondary. She is a degree holder in BHMS and working as a medical officer under Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyagram. Her hobbies includes dancing, painting and much more. Presenting before you, Dr. Alita Kutina. Yes, thank you, teacher. We have a guest. She is beautiful, of course. She is a MBBS doctor under GMC. Her hobbies includes dancing, reading, playing cricket, and she has presented Goa team for the cricket. What a lucky people we are, right? She has come today as a guest. Please welcome Dr. Sally Kurjavekar. Thank you, Mamata sir. Today we have the moderator. Please welcome Mr. Aurel. I request Mr. Brenda to welcome her. Asking Mr. Brenda to put a light on debate.
Good afternoon to you all. Smoking takes life. Cut it out from your life. Tobacco use is a global epidemic among young people. As with adults, it poses a serious health threat to youth. 1/2 of adult smokers die prematurely from tobacco-related diseases. It is also a threat to passive smokers. Despite of best of efforts by the government on the dangers of tobacco use, generation after generation continues to use tobacco products and families continue to suffer the devastating consequences. To bring forth this issue and to make our high secondary a tobacco-free institution, the 11th science students of Guardian Angel High Secondary School are here with a debate on the topic, use of tobacco should be banned by the government or it should be boycotted by the people. Following other participants participants for the debate. The team for is Master Chris Rodriguez, Master Taran Fernandez, Miss Nakesha Lopez, Miss Gunjan Singh, and Miss Triveni Dargalkar. The team against is Master Kenneth Almeida, Master Dalen Cardozo, Miss Seisha Nair, I always make a mistake, Miss Saisha, Miss Alpha Vella, and Miss Dhanashri Naik. Teacher Avril Antown is the moderator for the debate. Let's get started with the debate. We begin with the team 4.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Triveni Dargalkar and our topic for today's debate is tobacco should be banned by government and boycotted by people. Banning tobacco could help many people overcome their addiction. Tobacco contains many harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde, nicotine, carbon monoxide, which can lead to many dangerous diseases such as cancer, heart disease, lung disease. Almost 9 out of 10 people start smoking before the age of 18. And a smoke of a single cigarette contains over 7,000 chemicals. By banning tobacco, we can save many lives as well as our environment. We can save many teenagers who are highly addicted to this harmful activity. So because of this, I think government should ban tobacco.
Tobacco is a product made from the dried leaves of tobacco. It is chewed, sniffed and smoked for a variety of reasons. Tobacco smoking is a nasty habit that can be harmful for the health and as well as for the environment. It is not only good for lungs but also people around you. It should be banned in public places, it would no longer be a social activity.
Okay, thank you. Any other points? Okay. So let's move to the other team now. You can put forth your points first. I agree with my friends, but banning of tobacco in India would be one of the worst things that the government can do because of the reasons. India is the second largest tobacco producer in the world with an estimated production of 800 million kg. Around 10% of total excise revenue comes from tobacco, out of which around 80% is contributed by cigarettes. Tobacco is a cash crop and thus provides high revenue to the farmers. Tobacco industry provides livelihood to around 45 million people in the country. I would like my friend Kenneth to take over.
Banning of tobacco can cause many problems, such as banning of tobacco will lead the tobacco increase in black markets, free markets. People will start to buy it from black markets. The government will not profit from it, as the government carries a revenue of 8 lakh crores on tobacco. So banning of the tobacco is not a wise decision. 45 million, that many of people consume tobacco all across the globe. India is the second largest producer after China. India contributes approximately 35% of world's total tobacco production.
Let us begin with the 4 team. The first question is, why shouldn't government ban tobacco? Shouldn't ban tobacco.
I would like to answer the question.
Go ahead.
As Nakesha said, why should it be banned? Tobacco is one of the most economically significant agricultural crops. As India is the second largest producer of tobacco in the world before China, almost 55% of the tobacco is produced in the world with China and India. So, if India stops producing tobacco, what will be the effect on the economy? So, my question is, how will the government tackle the consequences after banning it?
Could you repeat your question, please?
How will the government tackle the consequences after banning tobacco?
Other grains. We can pack them in the same industries where the tobacco was packed, but some changes in the packing product, and we are going to have the economic growth of our country.
Yes.
As Chris said, tobacco is one of the most economically significant agricultural crops in the world. It is a drought-tolerant, hardy and short-duration crop which can be grown on a soil where other crops cannot be cultivated, as it is grown as a cross cultivation.
Okay, so Chris, he has given an answer to what you proposed.
How will the government tackle the consequences after banning tobacco?
The problems that are put forth with the banning of tobacco. Okay, so how will the government tackle with the problems that come out of it?
What are the problems?
Problems could be first, as friend Dylan said, India and China together have combined the total production of 55% of tobacco across the globe. So if the India will stop producing tobacco, India will lose its major strength. So the Indian economy will majorly suffer. Secondly, millions of farmers will lose their